Parenting hacks for busy moms and dads, tips and tricks for juggling life. Hello, fellow parents. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of parenting and sharing some invaluable hacks and tips for all you moms and dads who are juggling the joys of parenthood with the demands of a busy life. Hack 1. Streamline morning routines. Start your day off smoothly by preparing the night before. Lay out clothes, pack lunches, and gather backpacks to avoid morning chaos. Hack 2. Meal prep magic. Simplify mealtime by doing some weekly meal prep. Chop veggies, cook proteins, and assemble grab-and-go snacks for those hectic days. Hack 3. Family Calendar Central. Keep everyone on the same page with a shared digital calendar. Schedule appointments, activities, and events to avoid overlapping commitments. Hack 4. Divide and conquer. Delegate tasks with your partner. Divide responsibilities like cooking, cleaning, and bedtime routines to share the load. Hack 5. Embrace self-care. Prioritize self-care. Even with a busy schedule, find moments for relaxation, exercise, and activities you love. Hack 6. Declutter strategically. Keep clutter at bay by regularly decluttering toys and clothes. Donate or store items that are no longer needed. Hack 7. Carve out quality time. Quality over quantity, make the most of the time you have together. Plan family activities that create lasting memories. Hack 8. Homework zone. Create a designated homework zone. This helps kids focus and minimizes distractions during study time. Hack 9. Virtual playdates. Arrange virtual playdates for your children with their friends. It's a fun way to stay connected and entertained. Hack 10. Bedtime rituals. Establish calming bedtime rituals. A consistent routine helps children wind down and sleep better. And there you have it, a collection of parenting hacks to make your busy life a little easier. Remember, you're doing an incredible job, and it's okay to ask for help and take care of yourself. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow busy parents. Subscribe for more parenting insights, and until next time, keep rocking parenthood.